In this tutorial, I'll show you how to programmatically truncate or shorten text in Webflow. Let's get started. Copy the text truncation code you want to use, then open your Webflow project and go to the page containing the text you want to shorten. Open the page settings, scroll to the before body tag custom code section and paste the code snippet. Save your changes. Select the text element you want to truncate, then open the element settings panel and add the required custom attribute used by your code. Set its value to the maximum number of characters you want to display. Publish your website, then preview the page to confirm the text is automatically shortened and displays correctly. Update the character limit whenever needed by editing the custom attribute and republishing your site. That's how to programmatically truncate or shorten text in Webflow. Thanks for watching.